Can somebody take Ian Belly who knows how to keep Ian Belly? He's defending me in something else better. So yeah, so one of the things that you can do with Ian Belly is if you can just reposition to be directly under him, you know, you have a chance to get his weight off of you and follow. Now, most of the times when you get the weight off of you, he's still going to reposition or whatever, right? So usually it just serves as a starting point to talk like from here. Now I can scoop back out, right? So it's the repositioning instead of coming out, which a lot of the people do. They go this way, and it really makes the conversation his way, not your way, right? So, but if you get under him and you push him this way, you get a little bit of leeway. You can get under here. Some people go for deep half, which you could do. Whatever. I'm not really crazy about that. But you get a lot of influence in that direction, which is nice. Sometimes if you can tie up an arm when you're going that way, like if you're here and you start pushing off, then you can roll him. All right, let me get a timer. Prepare up.